Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing Betaderm Cream, its uses, dosage, side effects, and precautions. But before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel. Please note that the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before using any medication. Betaderm Cream is a topical corticosteroid that is used to treat a variety of skin conditions, such as eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis. It works by reducing inflammation, itching, and redness on the affected area. The cream is usually applied to the affected area 2 to 3 times daily or as directed by your healthcare provider. While Betaderm Cream can be effective in treating skin conditions, it also comes with some potential side effects. These can include burning, itching, dryness, and skin thinning at the application site. It is important to use the cream only as directed and to avoid using it on large areas of the body or for an extended period of time without consulting your healthcare provider. It is also important to note that Betaderm Cream should not be used on children under the age of 1, and should be used with caution during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Make sure to discuss with your healthcare provider before using this cream. So, that's all for today's video on Betaderm Cream. We hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Also, let us know in the comments below if you have any other topics you would like us to cover in our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.